If you're looking at the Ego Power Plus LM2206SP, the big question is, does it actually justify the price? I've spent some time with this mower, and honestly, the first thing that stands out is power. This thing doesn't behave like a typical battery mower. It's running a 56-volt system with a 10A battery, and you can feel it. Thick grass, slightly overgrown patches, it doesn't really struggle the way cheaper electric mowers do. The 22-inch aluminum deck is another highlight. It feels solid, and you get that premium build quality right away. Plus, the self-propelled system is a real back-saver, especially on uneven or sloped lawns. You're not pushing 100+ pounds around manually. Battery life is also impressive. In normal conditions, you can get up to around an hour or more, which is enough for most medium to large yards. Now, it's not perfect. It's heavy, and the price is definitely on the high end. Also, the self-propel system has a noticeable sound that some people might find annoying. But overall, if you want a gas-like cut without gas headaches, this mower delivers. It's powerful, efficient, and built to last. So yes, it's expensive, but it actually earns its spot.